Hello, Singapore. Tell me if this is you, okay? Come. Your current job or the jobs you had in your past are either your friend told you one, like, hey bro, got this lobang. Bro, got that lobang. Or you go online, you look at the job listings, and there are some that you don't even dare to click. Not because you're lazy, but because you're thinking, I confirm won't qualify lah. This one need diploma cert. So what you do? You just scroll past lah, and you pretend you never see the job listing. What if you can get your locally recognized diploma in just 21 days? Even if you're just an O or N level cert holder, you can qualify. And listen to me. Most Singaporeans pay little to nothing out of their pockets. Introducing Career Learning Hub. The diplomas are issued by a Pearson UK-backed institution. If you don't know, come on. Pearson UK also regulates our A-level exams. You can also take the word of working adults who have completed their journey at Career Learning Hub and move forward with their careers. You've made it this far into the ad, so maybe this is your sign. Here's what happened right after you click on this ad. Someone from Career Learning Hub will drop you a message or a call, whichever you prefer. They will walk you through your options and see which path could be right for you. Even if you're not ready to decide today, at least you have clarity. And sometimes that's all you need. Your second chance is real. It's very, very real. And it's right here waiting for you.
I'm here.
It's right here waiting for you.
Thank you.
Click now, click to book a free, no commitment discovery call with Career Learning Hub today.